Electronic repair information reviews. Electronic equipment repair. Electronic equipment repairers fix all types of electronics, from small kitchen appliances to heating, ventilation and air conditioning (HVAC) control systems. Many two-year colleges offer degree programs in this field. Read on to learn about possible education and career options. Inside electronic equipment repair. Employers of electronic equipment repairers frequently favor candidates who have associate's degrees and, in some cases, professional certification. Both the Electronics Technicians Association and the International Society of Certified Electronics Technicians offer several credentials for electronic equipment repairers. Education information. Electronic equipment repair programs generally prepare students for work as electronics technicians. Graduates also might find jobs installing and repairing business, manufacturing or transportation equipment or fixing substations, relays or powerhouses. Distance learning options. Several schools and colleges offer online training programs and courses in areas related to electronic equipment repair. Career options. The work performed by electronic equipment repairers can be performed in a number of settings, including homes, businesses, and healthcare facilities. Visit the articles below for professional options in the field of electronic equipment repair. Employment information. The BLS reported that electronic repairers specializing in commercial and industrial equipment earned a mean annual wage of $54,230 as of May 2013. The highest levels of employment were found in the federal government and among building equipment contractors. Click the link below to get started with special discount prices and get free bonuses too. 100% money-back guarantee within 60 days if you are not satisfied with the results. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.